Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will talk about why woodworking is more than a skill. It's a life-changing business journey. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The inspirational reason to start woodworking as a business journey for income generation and a fulfilling lifestyle often begins with a deep human connection to making something real with one's own hands, because in a world dominated by screens, fast consumption, and temporary solutions, woodworking offers a return to tangible creation, where effort, patience, and skill directly shape an outcome that can be seen, touched, and used in everyday life. And this sense of creating value from raw material becomes one of the strongest emotional motivations to turn woodworking into a meaningful source of income rather than just a hobby. Many people are inspired to begin woodworking because it represents independence, the ability to rely on personal skill rather than external systems, employers, or unstable job markets. And this independence brings a sense of control over one's future, where income is tied to creativity, quality, and consistency, instead of fixed salaries or limited opportunities. The journey often starts small, perhaps with basic tools and simple projects, but the realization that wood can be transformed into functional and beautiful objects that people genuinely need and appreciate creates a powerful spark, because every finished piece becomes proof that skill can be exchanged for value, and that value can become sustainable income. Woodworking as a business is also deeply inspiring because it grows naturally with experience. The more one works with wood, the more confidence, efficiency, and artistic vision develop, allowing the business to evolve from simple repairs or small decor items into custom furniture, home solutions, or signature designs. And this growth mirrors personal development, making the journey feel alive and progressive rather than repetitive. Another strong inspirational reason lies in the timeless demand for wooden products, because wood never goes out of style, and across cultures and generations, people continue to seek furniture, decor, and functional items made from wood due to its warmth, durability, and natural beauty, which gives reassurance that woodworking is not a temporary trend, but a long-term opportunity capable of supporting a stable livelihood. The lifestyle aspect of woodworking is equally powerful, as it offers flexibility and balance that many traditional jobs lack, allowing individuals to set their own pace, choose their projects, and align their work hours with family life, personal energy, and creative flow, which leads to a more intentional way of living where work supports life instead of consuming it. Inspiration also comes from the emotional satisfaction of solving problems through design, because woodworking is not only about cutting and assembling wood, but about understanding space, function, and human needs, whether it is creating storage for a small home, restoring an old piece with sentimental value, or building something that improves daily comfort. And this problem-solving aspect gives purpose to the work beyond money. Financially, woodworking inspires many because it allows starting with limited capital, using simple tools, recycled wood, or small commissions, making it accessible to people who may not have the resources for large investments. And as income grows, tools and workspace can be upgraded gradually, which reduces financial pressure and risk while building confidence and business stability over time. The creative freedom within woodworking is another powerful motivation, because unlike many businesses that require strict conformity, woodworking rewards originality, craftsmanship, and personal style, allowing makers to develop a unique identity that distinguishes their work in the market. And this individuality not only attracts customers, but also nurtures pride and self-worth. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of Decor Menu. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments, and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. For many, woodworking becomes a form of storytelling, where each piece carries intention, effort, and sometimes personal or cultural meaning, and selling such pieces feels less like selling products and more like sharing value, tradition, and creativity with others, which strengthens the emotional connection between maker and customer. The journey is also inspiring because it teaches discipline and patience, as woodworking demands precision, planning, and respect for process, and mistakes become lessons rather than failures, building resilience and problem-solving skills that extend beyond the workshop into everyday life. As income begins to flow from woodworking, there is a deep sense of validation that comes from realizing that creativity and craftsmanship can sustain a livelihood, challenging the belief that only conventional careers are reliable, and this realization often leads to increased confidence and ambition, encouraging expansion into teaching, content creation, or brand building around the craft. The connection to sustainability further strengthens the inspiration, as woodworking naturally aligns with eco-conscious values through the use of reclaimed wood, repairs, restorations, and long-lasting products, allowing makers to earn income while contributing positively to the environment, which brings a sense of responsibility and pride in ethical work. Social inspiration also plays a role, because woodworking businesses often become part of local communities, serving neighbors, collaborating with other artisans, and building relationships based on trust and craftsmanship, which creates a sense of belonging and purpose that many people find missing in impersonal work environments. Over time, woodworking shapes not only income but identity, as the maker begins to see themselves as a creator, builder, and problem solver, and this identity brings dignity to work, reinforcing the idea that skilled hands and creative minds are valuable assets in any economy. The ability to see direct results from effort is deeply motivating, because unlike abstract work, woodworking offers visible progress each day, from raw lumber to finished piece, and this clarity reduces stress and increases satisfaction, making daily work feel rewarding rather than draining. As the business grows, woodworking opens doors to multiple income streams, such as custom orders, small product lines, repairs, workshops, or digital content, which increases financial security and reduces dependence on a single source of income, further reinforcing the decision to pursue it as a long-term journey. The inspirational pull also comes from legacy, as woodworking skills can be passed down, taught to others, or remembered through the objects created, allowing the work to outlive the maker and leave a lasting impact, which adds meaning beyond immediate financial gain. For many, the workshop becomes a place of focus and peace, where the rhythm of tools and the scent of wood provide mental clarity and stress relief, turning work into a form of therapy that supports emotional well-being while generating income. In a broader sense, woodworking as a business inspires because it proves that passion and practicality can coexist, that earning a living does not have to mean abandoning creativity, and that a simple material like wood can become the foundation for a balanced, self-directed, and meaningful lifestyle. Ultimately, the inspirational reason to start woodworking as a business journey lies in its ability to connect income with purpose, skill with freedom, and work with identity, creating a life where making, earning, and living are not separate paths, but parts of the same deeply rewarding journey driven by creativity, resilience, and the timeless human desire to build something lasting with one's own hands. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked so random wooden crafts design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos, Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.